Understanding Tinnitus, a guide to the sounds of silence. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that's not commonly talked about but is quite significant for those who experience it. We're talking about tinnitus. If you've ever heard someone say, "I have tinnitus," and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery of tinnitus and understand how it impacts daily life. Tinnitus is often described as a ringing in the ears, but it can manifest as various sounds like hissing, buzzing, or whistling when there's no external source of these sounds. It's a symptom, not a disease, and can be temporary or chronic. It's essential to note that tinnitus is relatively common and affects people of all ages. Tinnitus can have numerous causes. Some of the most common include exposure to loud noises. This is a frequent cause, especially among people who work in noisy environments or listen to music at high volumes. Age-related hearing loss. As people age, they might experience tinnitus as a part of hearing deterioration. Earwax blockage. Accumulation of earwax can lead to tinnitus by affecting how sounds are heard. Changes in ear bone. Abnormal bone growth in the ear can cause tinnitus. Living with tinnitus can be challenging, as it can interfere with concentration, sleep, and everyday activities. However, many people find ways to manage their symptoms effectively. Coping strategies include noise suppression. Using white noise machines or fans can help mask the sound of tinnitus. Stress management. Stress can exacerbate tinnitus, so techniques like meditation or yoga can be beneficial. Avoiding irritants. Reducing caffeine and nicotine intake can help, as these substances can worsen tinnitus symptoms. If you or someone you know is experiencing tinnitus, it's crucial to seek professional help. A healthcare provider can conduct a hearing test to understand the severity and potential causes. Review health history to check if it's linked to medications or health conditions. Offer treatment options, which may include hearing aids, sound therapy, or cognitive behavioral therapy. Tinnitus might be an invisible condition, but its effects are quite real for those who experience it. Understanding what tinnitus is, its causes, and how to manage it can significantly improve the quality of life for individuals dealing with this condition. Remember, if you're experiencing signs of tinnitus, reaching out to a healthcare professional is a crucial first step. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Stay tuned for more content, and take care.